The cost of lost earbud charging cases.
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing a common issue many of us face: losing our earbud charging case. If you've lost your charging case and are wondering how much a replacement might cost, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in.
Why do prices vary?
First and foremost, it's important to understand that the cost of a replacement charging case can vary widely based on several factors. Brand and model. Top-tier brands like Apple or Bose might have a higher replacement cost than lesser-known or budget brands. Features. Cases with wireless charging, fast charging, or other special features can be pricier. Authentic versus third-party. Original cases from the Earbuds brand will typically be more expensive than third-party options.
Typical price ranges.
For a general idea, let's break down some common price ranges. Budget brands. Replacement cases for budget brands can cost between $10 to $30. Mid-range brands. For brands that fall in the mid-tier category, you might be looking at $30 to $60. Premium brands. For high-end brands like Apple or Bose, a replacement can set you back anywhere from $60 to $100 or even more. However, these are ballpark figures and can vary based on region, availability, and current market trends.
How can I save money?
If you're looking to save some money on your replacement, warranty. First, check if your earbuds are still under warranty. Some companies might offer a discounted or even free replacement. Third-party options. While they might not offer the same quality, third-party replacements can be significantly cheaper. Promotions or sales. Retailers or the brand's website might have ongoing promotions or sales where you can snag a deal. Losing a charging case is certainly frustrating, but there are multiple options out there for getting a replacement. Whether you're looking for an original brand replacement or considering third-party alternatives, it's essential to research and find the best fit for your needs and budget. We hope this guide has given you a clearer understanding of what to expect in terms of cost. Stay tuned and happy listening.